Thief gets the key to this Bentley Bentayga, goes to steal it. They're going to start it up. Car's going to fire into life, but as soon as they select a gear to drive off, you're going to see it cut out. They'll be unable to drive it away. There you go, the vehicle's cut out. If they try and reverse, start the car, vehicle's not going to start up. Now if we try again, they manage to get it started, put it in reverse, it's going to cut out again. So what the customer has to do, start the car up. We get loads of faults because obviously we're testing it. Now it's started, we'll put the code in, left, right, left, right. We get a double flash from the indicators. We can select our gear and drive away. Obviously these faults don't come up unless the customer makes a mistake while starting it or a thief's attempted to steal it. Once they've started this a couple of times, those faults will obviously clear, so they're nothing to worry about. They just only come up if the customer makes a mistake or a thief tries to steal the vehicle. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Ghost 2 on a 2020 Bentley Bentayga. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.